everybody, it's Madison here. I'm at Elizabethtown College. I just finished up a really exciting interview with Karina. Stay tuned for it. You're going to be hearing a bunch of really interesting and exciting things that we are working on with Leviticus Fashions. Thank you so much for supporting me in my videos. I'm excited to announce that I will be creating some more content with Leviticus Fashions. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you're interested, please take a look at my YouTube channel and my website that has just launched. And right now, I am wearing the 2.0 in black. They are perfect for this beautiful fall day. I've been having a really fun time walking around and exploring the campus. It is so pretty. Thank you so much.